This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your OS build and ensure at least 500 MB free storage because installs and caches need space. Next, open Settings and verify CX File Explorer has file and storage permissions. Without them, it can hang. Once done, force stop the app, clear recent tasks, and reboot your device. This clears transient locks and gives a clean environment to reproduce the loading error, so you can apply targeted fixes with certainty. Now diagnose the middle steps. Clear the app cache first, because corrupted caches often cause load failures, then clear app data if the issue persists. Note this removes preferences. If clearing doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall the latest CX release or sideload a previous stable APK to test regression. Make sure to capture any error messages by enabling debug or checking system logs. These codes explain whether it's a permission, parsing, or storage index problem. Finish by validating fixes. Reboot once the reinstall or data reset is complete, then open CX and browse local folders and any network mounts to confirm normal loading. If load times remain high, reset app defaults or create a fresh user profile. Profile corruption can block index builds. If problems continue, gather logs, screenshots, and error codes. Make sure to include steps to reproduce. That information speeds support response and helps engineers pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.